Hello and welcome to River Styx Media. This week we've got an unboxing of the Frame Arms Girl Magatsuki kit. Looks really interesting, looks really cool with all her armor, and just looks all around cool. I got this kit at Torchlight Games and Hobbies. I'll leave a link down below to their website as well as a discount code for 5% off any model kits on their website. They do offer curbside pickup to anybody local to the area, so be sure if you're local to the area, check them out. Save you a little bit of money with curbside as well as the discount code. We all are trying to save money here, guys. So I've done enough talking. Let's get right into the unboxing video and hope you enjoy the video. First off, we always look at the box art as per usual. So pretty standard box art for the standing pose of the actual kit. I have not had a Frame Arms Girl kit that has had box art different than this, but hey, it works. Don't fix what you don't need to, so don't fix what ain't broke. So anyways, the sides, helps if I turn this on to manual. Yeah, this is a thick frickin' box, holy crap. So she looks like she's only got 3 facial expressions. One that she looks bored, one that she's, I guess, stone-faced, and one that she's happy and winking. All the consumer info. So you got her and all her armored glory. Looks like she's got quite a bit of weapons. Good old bikini armor. And I think if you combine it, I think that's combined with anything, with everything, but I'm not sure. But looks pretty fucking cool. I know that there is an actual Frame Arms named Magatsuki coming out in the next month or two, so this will actually give you somewhat of a preview of what the Frame Arms is. It's a samurai looking kit. But next up we will look inside the box and go from there. Alright, let's open her up. So we've got, that's hair part, this is all hair. Now it's scabbard for the sword. Looks like armor as well. More armor, connections for the legs or arms. Again, armor. That looks like parts of feet, polycaps, and connections for arms and legs. That is shoulder, that's parts of the arms and the chest. That will be part of her crotch. Parts for the stand. The stand, that is connection for the neck. That will be joints for the arms and legs. More armor, looks like legs, looks like feet. I'm guessing that's the 2 different chest pieces. That's accents for front or back, parts of the weapons, That is armor. Legs, midriff. That'll be either shoulder or leg armor. There's her, part of her, that on her helmet. That is clear parts for the armor. More parts of the armor, I'm guessing. The sword blades. I don't mind sword blades like this. It's when it's like, it's when it's a plain piece that does not make at all sense being a sword piece. Like when it's black, when it's supposed to be silver, or the hands. Her. Okay, so this is a better look at the faces. So you've got sad face, sort of smiling and winking, and stone-faced, I guess. So you've got some pre-painted parts. That looks like her her backside, her buttocks, her bikini, and that's parts of her hair. Comes with, as per usual with Kotobukiya kits, water transfer, and the book, how to assemble it. So yeah, that is the Frame Arms Girl Magatsuki. I'm probably butchering that name, and I apologize if I am, but I'm Canadian. I'm allowed. Anyways, come on, get in there. I really am looking forward to building this kit. Probably do a time lapse. Not sure if I will. You guys seem to like the time lapses, so. But yeah. And with that being said, everybody have a good day. Stay safe. See you in the next one.